Okay, you're live.
Okay, so the total area under the oh, did you have any questions? Did you get everything in the,
Just the last two questions, 17 and 18. I
okay,
wasn't really getting last night how to get the percentiles for like the certain protein requirement or whatever.
okay,
But
well then we'll work through those when we get to them. We'll just go
yeah.
ahead and get started and just let me know when you have questions. There was some confusion for me mentally. Math, I overthink, so it's probably just me overthinking. So as long as we get all the right answers, I'm good.
Yeah.
If we disagree on something, then we'll have to sit down and figure out if what it is that I overthought.
Okay.
Okay, the total area under a density curve must equal 1.
Yep. Okay, under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the x-axis. I I think that's false, isn't it?
Yeah, because it can't be negative.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Um, a normal density curve is symmetric. True.
Yep. Okay, which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score in this image? And I said C.
Yes. Which of the following elements of this figure represent the probability that the random variable size will be greater than 1? And it's none of these.
Is it okay? Will
Because the
you explain
probability
that to
can't
me?
ever be over 1.
Oh, right, because the probability is the area, right? Or the,
Yes.
yeah, the area. Okay.
What did you have?
I put B. It was late last night, so
Okay. I totally understand that one. No problem.
yeah.
Okay, according to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what portion of, oh, it's yours, right? Sorry.
Oh, you're okay. What proportion of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within one standard deviation of the mean? It says 68%.
Yes. All right. Suppose random variable z has a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What portion of the values from this random variable will be between -1 and 1? All right, I have 0.683.
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. And what proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -2 and 2? I said 0.955.
Yeah. Okay, and then what proportion of this variable will be between -3 and 3.997?
Okay. Look carefully at your answers to the last three questions. What do you observe? And I said the values match the 68, 95, 99.7% rule.
Yes. Okay, so now did you get this number 13?
Yeah, I got
Okay.
13 through 16.
Okay, so it's just 17 and 18.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so the protein mean or the population mean protein requirement for an adult is 0.66
Mhm.
and the population standard deviation is 0.07. Use this information for 14 through 17. What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than zero point 0.6 grams? I have 0.196.
Okay. I got 0.804.
Okay.
So, what you do with this one is get the Z-score, right?
Okay. Let's, yeah, where is my number 13? Okay. So we have zero point 0.6, wait, right?
Look.
Okay, and so we have 0.60 minus 0.66, and that's divided by 0.07, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I got negative 0.85714. Are we together so far?
For the z-score.
Yes.
Okay.
And then when you plug that into the normal applet, the probability applet,
Uh-huh.
um, negative 0.85714. Okay. And I get, okay, what proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.6? And so when I put the z-score into the applet, it gives an area of 0.1957.
Right. Okay, I see.
Okay,
So you
so
got 0.196.
yes.
Okay.
So what number did you have?
I actually just switched 13 and 14 around.
Oh, okay, so you had them all right. Okay,
So um I got 0.804 for the second one.
yes. Okay, what proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 70? And I have 0.716.
Okay.
Is that what you have?
Yes, I actually did that one right.
Okay.
Um, let's see if I did this one right though. Um, I just won't read it. I got 0.088.
Okay, that's not what I have, so do you want to walk me through what you did?
Yes. Okay. So, um, let me see. So the z-score for the point 0.6 was the negative 0.857, right? And so the area to the left of that was 0.1957, right?
Um, okay, so what we're looking for here, instead of the applet goes over and you have the portion over and the portion under, and then you have the portion that's in the center.
Yeah,
Right now we're looking for the portion that's just in the center.
right. But you have to calculate the areas for the point 0.6 and point 0.7 because it won't like let you drag the like z-score things differently, right?
Right, so for the 0.6, when you put that in, let me need to put, okay, so the area that you have for the 0.6 is,
The lower area, right?
it's going to be the middle area.
Um, but isn't the point to like
Can you see
the
that?
higher z-score is the one that you take the middle and then the left portion, and then the um the one that's a negative z-score, you just take the left portion, and then that's how you get the middle.
Well, no, because we're looking for Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this number right here, and then we're going to do this again for the 0.7, and then we're going to subtract this one from 0.7s. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure that's how we do this. So how are you doing it? Because we're looking for, if the part that would be shaded below the 0.85 would be people that are less than 0.6, and we're looking from 0.6 up to 0.7.
Okay. I get it now.
Okay. Well, I want to make sure that it actually does make sense, because I don't want me to be talking you into something that really doesn't make sense, because I
No,
might be wrong.
it makes sense now. I got it.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So the area between the two for the 0.6 would be 0.6086.
Yes, that's what I have.
And then what was the z-score for the 0.7 again?
I think it was 0.5714. Let me look at my. Point 5714.
Yeah. Okay. So I think it was 0.571. And then so I plugged that in as the z-score, and the area I got in between was 0.432.
Okay, so 0.432. Okay, and so now we're going to take the 0.6086 and we're going to subtract the 0.432.
Okay. So now the rounded answer would be 0.177.
Okay, so what's my answer? Okay, I have 0.179. I probably did my math wrong. 6086 minus 0.4. Oh, yep, you're right.
Okay.
Okay, so number 16 is 1.7. Oops. 0.177. Right?
Yep, 0.177.
Okay. Where'd I come up with a 9? My goodness. Okay. All right. And then find the 35 percentile for the protein requirement for adults. I have 0.391.
Okay, and this is where I got like kind of confused.
Okay. So we're going to the normal normal probability applet.
Okay.
And then in the top where the area is,
Uh-huh.
you're going to change that to 0.35, because that
Okay.
gives us 35%.
Uh-huh.
And then we're looking for basically less than 35%, the less than area. So 35.
Oh, it was that easy?
Yes, I think so. And so when I do that, I get a z-score of 0.385. And then we solve for x, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So the area that we're looking for is the left side area, right?
Yes. Sorry, I had to look at it. I get my left and
Okay.
right confused all the time.
Okay, so you've got the 0.385, and then,
Okay, and it's going to be negative 3.85
okay,
because
yeah,
we're looking below.
right.
And that's going to equal x minus 0.66 divided by 7. So I multiplied negative 0.385 times 0.7, and I got negative 0.2695, and then I'm adding 0.66 to get 0.3905, so I round the answer to 0.391.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And then, so the last one, do you want to give it a try? Or do you want to work through it together?
Yeah. Let me get a notebook real quick, though. I always have to write everything down.
No problem.
Okay. Okay. So we go to the probability applet,
Mm-hmm.
put the area in as 0.80,
Yes.
and just look for the left side. So the area I got, or the z-score I got, was negative 0.84.
Well, because we're looking above, it's going to look, sorry, it's easier for me to show you than trying to explain. So 80 percentile,
Oh,
we're looking at 80% of the data.
right. Okay. Got it. Okay. So, um, so the z-score, I still got 8.842 for the z-score.
0.842. Okay, yeah, that's right.
Okay. It's just positive this time, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, and then that's going to equal the x minus 0.66
Mm-hmm.
over the is it over the 0.07?
0.70. Oh no. It is 0.07, huh?
Right, because that's supposed to be the standard deviation, right?
Okay, yeah, so the last one's wrong because I did it by 0.7, not by 0.07. So I'll rework that while you finish this one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay. So I got, for 18, I got 0.719.
Yes.
And then for the first one, I got 0.687.
Okay, I got 0.633, so let me redo my math here. Negative 0.385 times 0.07 equals 0.02695 plus 0.66.
Okay, I got 0.633 this time.
Okay.
I forgot to put the negative before the negative
I
0.385.
I hate math because of those little things.
I know.
Okay. I think that that's good. So you feel good with all of our answers?
I think so.
Okay. And we have a 90%. Number 7 is wrong. You are right. B is the correct answer.
Okay.
Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the random variable... Oh,
Oh, it's the z variable.
yep.
That must have been why I actually thought right last night.
Yep, you thought right. I thought wrong this morning. So perfect. Oh, and we got 16 wrong too.
Okay.
Okay, so let's find out what we did wrong on 16. Um, excuse me. Okay.
So if you look on 16, the hint says, remember that to find the area between two values, shade to the left of each z-score you calculate, and then subtract the smaller area from the large area.
Oh, so it's not just the center portion?
Yeah, so I think, like what I was trying to say earlier, you find the z-score for each one of those, and then, so the 0.6 minus 0.66 divided by the 0.07, so you get your negative 0.857, and you calculate the area to the left of that z-score.
Okay, negative 0.8.
So that area is 0.1957.
Okay, so I got that.
Okay, and then we do the z-score of the 0.7, which is the 0.571. And then the area to the left of that one is 0.716.
Yes.
And then you subtract the first area from the larger area. So 0.716 minus 0.1957.
Okay, so negative, wait. What did you get then?
I got 0.5203.
Okay, I got negative 0.520.
Did you subtract the 0.716 minus
No, I did it backwards.
0.957?
Yeah, I did it backwards. Okay, there we go. All right, so when you plug those in and fix the other one, did you come up with 100?
Let me check. Yep.
0, 3. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Yay.
All right.
All right, well, thank you for the meeting, and we will talk to you later.
Okay, where do you want me to post this link?
Okay, when you stop recording,
Uh-huh.
you want to take the link. You know where the link is, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you're just going to copy and paste that into the discussion board for this week
Okay.
for the lesson collaboration, and just post it there.
Okay.
Alrighty?
Okay, thanks.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.